Hey guys, welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend against a backhand. So watch as the Predator tries to backhand Arnold in the Predator, and then I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out.
Bad idea.
So Bob here is going to try to backhand me. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to step a little to the side and do an out block and grab his wrist here. As I grab his wrist and he's continuing to punch, I'm going to guide his hand and I'm going to elbow or block right into the back of his elbow. So here and here, trying to hyperextend that arm. So step and block, strike. From here, I'm going to step back to my foot and I'm going to kick that leg, that thigh or that knee right there. Boom. Then from here, I'm going to step and turn, cross to the face. Step and block, kick, cross. Nice. Yeah. Nice. So for technique number 2, if we happen to get hit with that backhand that pushes this way, from here, we're going to turn, keep our hands up to block in case he tries to strike again. We're going to kick that leg here. Step, kick, punch the face. Nice. From when you wind here, you actually get more momentum. So you're going to wind it up here, kick. Kick, punch. From here you can finish with a knee, finish with another strike, you can step strike here however you want. Yeah. So for technique number 3, we're the aggressor on this one, so we're not going to wait for him to attack. Because he's not doing a backhand, we're not going to grab his hand and pull it, we're not going to do that. We're not in this position to come strike and we don't want to telegraph, so we're just going to have to start differently. So from here, we're still going to step, but we're going to do a cross to the face. Then we're going to do, just like the first one, leg, cross again. So it looks like this. Now let me show you how to do this technique on the bag. Okay, so I've got my arm on the bag just to show you what it would be like. So here, right, he's throwing that backhand. So as he does that backhand and we step, we grab it. From here, as we block, see how it bends? That'd be right behind the elbow, here. So block as you strike. From here, it'd be a kick to the leg, step, cross. He does a backhand, step and block. So we hit here, kick, cross. For technique number 2 on the bag, we're struck. We're going to turn here and pivot, kick down on the leg, cross. So for technique number 3 on the bag, the aggressor, we're not going to wait for him. So we're going to step in as we punch, hook, punch. Nice. Yeah. Nice. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe. Go try it, then I'll meet you back here next time to go over more self-defense techniques.